Know your body.
Our body has many parts. All parts are special. Read the following facts to learn how they are special.
The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping.
We have two eyes, but we see one picture.
There are millions of bacteria on our skin, but most of them are harmless.
Our nose can remember 50,000 different smells.
Babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body.
Our body repairs itself if the skin cut or injured. Blood starts flowing after a few it's scab. The scab following the cut. After a few days, the scuff is off. There is new skin, even the scuff.
The air from our lungs can travel at about 160 km per hour. When we cough, the air from our cough travel at about 95 km per hour.
A break bone grows again and repair itself. Doctor use plaster cast to help it grows properly. Thank you.